Papanoorin natin ang her story video ni Andrea Cayabyab representing Pangasinan in partnership with Gel Life for Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
I am Andrea Robanzo Cayabyab, Miss Universe Philippines, Pangasinan. They say a queen is born into privilege, but my story begins on the rough roads of Pangasinan, riding at the back of my father's tricycle. My
Nice.
father makes a living as a tricycle driver, while my mother, a housewife, pours her heart into raising a family. My brother gave up his own education so I could pursue mine, to become a civil engineer. I saw how life wasn't always fair, but I also learned that dreams don't ask where you come from. They ask how much you're willing to fight. My journey is proof that strength isn't measured by where you start, but by how far you're willing to go. I am the daughter of a tricycle driver, a man whose hard work and sacrifice shaped the woman I am today. One of vision, resilience, and purpose. This is my story, and I am just getting started.
Wow, ang ganda nun. Like, it's so inspiring and totoo nga yun kasi most of us, feeling natin, yung mga queens would come from a family, maginhawang buhay, ganyan. But this one is very brave na sinare niya yung totoong, kumbaga, status niya sa buhay, and I salute her for that. Good job sa kanyang parents, sa mga sacrifices and all. I can relate into dun sa isang kwento niya about huminto yung brother niya para sa kanya. Kasi before, my sister also has to stop from her studies just for me to continue and finish my high school. Kahit na mahirap ang buhay, parang pinilit ng nanay before na i-pursue yung makapagtapos kami magkakapatid sa private school na high school. But anyhow, sana makita pa natin itong si Andrea Cayabyab beyond MUPH so that her story can inspire more youth to work harder and appreciate lahat ng mga sacrifices ng parents nila so that at the end of the day, they can be proud of themselves and kung saan man sila nanggaling.